If you've been searching for the fastest and most accurate way to reconcile financial statements across PDF and Excel, and also share those clear results with stakeholders, I've got you. The answer is StackAI's financial statement reconciliation agent that we're going to build today. First, create new project and open the Workflow Builder. Name your agent, and you will see StackAI Canvas with free pre-set up nodes, your input, your LLM or AI model, and your output. So in my case, I want the agent to create a side-by-side comparison of two documents, balance sheet in PDF and profit and losses file in Excel. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the left side menu and drag and drop two input file nodes for each document. Also, you wanna name your documents, and one important thing, make sure that both are marked exposed as input. This way, end users will be able to upload their own files later. Now connect your input nodes to your LLM node, which is very simple. You just drag and drop like everything on StackAI, and you can select your model. In my case, I'm going to choose Anthropic Claude 3.5 Sonnet. The next step is to write clear instructions so your AI model knows exactly what to do. You can either write your own, or you can simply copy and paste the instructions that I have from the description of this video down below. In the prompt, what you want to do is identify the right files you want the model to analyze. You can do so by writing document 1, / balance sheet, which is your document in PDF, and then document 2, / profit and loss, which is your document in Excel. Now we can test our agent. Click Run, and if you see everything running smoothly, click Publish, and then Export. For financial statement reconciliation agent, I prefer advanced form because this way I'll get a side-by-side comparison in a table. And just like that, you're done. Your AI agent is configured. However, on StackAI, there is a way to make your financial statement reconciliation even smarter. What you can do is add a second LLM, which will take the comparison table and turn it into plain language insights, which it can then email to a stakeholder or your CFO. So let's go back and add that additional step. Now you want to add another LLM, select your AI model, and in instructions, write exactly what it should do. In this case, the goal is to produce a narrative explanation of the differences between the two financial statements and highlight the impact. Then in the prompt, you want to identify that you want the information that was produced by the first LLM to be the source for the second LLM. And then the final step is going to be to add two more output nodes. One is for the summary of insights and differences, the information produced by your second LLM, and your email trigger. Make sure you created your connections, and then identify your email receiver, a stakeholder, your CFO, or maybe your audit team. And just like that, you've built a reconciliation agent that compares financial statements across different formats, highlights the impact, and share the results instantly, all within StackAI.